Let's go to the OpenResty Edge's admin web console. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user has her own deployment. Go to the DNS management page. Go to the GSLB page. Select plans. We can observe here the traffic status after activating the global server load balancing. This pie chart displays how the current traffic is distributed among different network clusters in real time. As shown, this cluster handles the highest amount of traffic. This is the traffic distribution of the previous plan. You can see that in the cluster Ali Yun Beijing, the traffic distribution of the previous plan was 52% and 48%. And the current distribution is 50% and 50%. This is the origin plan, the first plan of GSLB. This is the current plan. It will be updated periodically. When the traffic distribution or plan on the left is inconsistent with the GSLB plan on the right, the plan on the right side will be highlighted in color red and green. Green indicates an increase, while red indicates a decrease. Click on the previous plan and the next plan. You can browse historical plans. Next, let's take a look at the GSLB configuration. You can use this button to enable or disable GSLB. This is the update interval of the plan. It means that the plan will be updated every 60 seconds. Here you can set the number of results that will be returned in the DNS query. Next, we will look at how to configure each edge node. Click the Edit button to enter edit mode. You can use the drop-down list to select the indicators that will determine the DNS results. This will help you adjust the traffic flow in the system. For example, select load average and last 1 minute. The traffic will be adjusted based on the calculated probability when the indicator reaches the lower threshold. DNS resolution does not return any information about this node anymore when the indicator reaches the upper threshold. That's what I'd like to cover today. If you like this video, please follow us on YouTube. Thank you.